Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauerkraut with vinegar. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh, firm cabbage, white vinegar, and salt. You'll also need some water and can add optional spices like caraway seeds for extra flavor. Make sure your cabbage is free of any blemishes for the best results. This simple method offers a quick and tangy alternative to traditional fermented sauerkraut, perfect for a fast side dish. Next, let's prepare the cabbage. Begin by removing any loose outer leaves and then carefully core the cabbage. For the ideal texture, shred the cabbage thinly, aiming for about 1/8 inch in thickness. A mandolin slicer or a food processor with a shredding disc can make this step much easier and ensure uniform pieces. Consistent shredding helps the cabbage absorb the vinegar mixture evenly. Now it's time to combine everything. In a large bowl, mix your shredded cabbage thoroughly with the salt and white vinegar. Once combined, pack the mixture very tightly into clean, sterilized jars. It's crucial to press down firmly to remove air pockets. Then, add enough water to completely cover the cabbage, ensuring it's fully submerged. This helps create the perfect environment for your quick sauerkraut. Finally, for storage and enjoyment. Once your jars are filled and sealed, place them in the refrigerator. Allow the sauerkraut to chill for at least 24 hours before serving. This gives the flavors time to meld beautifully. Your homemade sauerkraut will be ready to enjoy after just one day. It makes a fantastic, tangy side dish for many meals. Store it in the fridge for several weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.